Hi guys, welcome back to another art video. I'm gonna do a flip cup pour on a large 14 by 11 inches canvas using pastel colors. It's gonna be a free channel giveaway. All you have to do to enter the contest is subscribe to my channel and comment below. I am using YouTube's random picker software to select one lucky winner, and it will be announced a month after on my Facebook page. So go to the description below the video and follow the guidelines. These all are Liquitex acrylic paints. This is light blue permanent, light blue violet, brilliant purple, and brilliant yellow green. The light blue permanent and brilliant yellow green will go together in the pour, and these two colors will go jointly. I'll be adding a little of titanium white in between each of these colors to keep them at bay from mixing and forming multiple shades. I am using two clear plastic cups for the pour. I have added a couple of drops of treadmill silicone oil in each of these colors. Let's begin by pouring brilliant purple. I must be pouring equal quantities. A little of titanium white, now light blue violet. This is such a pretty color. Again titanium white, just enough to separate the other colors. Brilliant yellow green. I feel this color will lift the painting against those blue colors. I am repeating the color sequence again in the same order. In all these paints, there is 2 parts float roll to 1 part paint and a little of distilled water. The paints weigh thick enough so that they do not mix in the cups, otherwise they will mix up and form a very muddy color pour. You can see this from the side view, how beautiful these cups look. I am pouring some titanium white in the corner of the canvas. This will help the paints in the pour to flow easily. Now flipping the cups and dragging them in opposite direction. I am tilting the canvas slowly and spreading the paint at the corners, also making sure not to break the cells. Need to cover up this last remaining lower right side corner. I love these colors. These pastel colors will look beautiful against a white wall or any dark color wall. I will be varnishing the painting after 3 weeks before sending it to the winner. Also, this contest is only for the people within the USA, as I will not be shipping internationally at this time. This is the dried up result in the next day. See how beautiful these colors have come up with thousands of cells. So guys, comment below and subscribe to the channel to enter the contest and win this magnificent piece of art. The lucky winner will be announced exactly after 30 days and I will update you the results on YouTube as well as my Facebook page. You can find the guidelines of the contest in the description box below and links to all my social media. So hurry up guys, comment below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Bye and good luck.